AI influencers are taking over, gaining millions of followers. Want to tap into this trend? Let's create a unique and consistent AI character for your socials. Today, I'll show you how to create your own AI influencer in just 5 simple steps. Let's go. Step 1. Head over to Dzine AI's website. Link in the description. Once you're logged in, go to the New Project. Step 2. Generate a character sheet using Design. Go to Character Sheet, select Design. Realistic style. Enter character details and then click Generate. This gives you multiple angles of your AI model. Step 3. Training your AI character. Now it's time to train our AI influencer. Go to Character Tool, Consistent Character, click Add New Character. You can upload 1 to 30 high-quality images, click Train. In 30 to 40 minutes, your AI character is ready. Step 4. Generating AI influencer content. Now, let's create Instagram-worthy shots. Select your trained AI character. Add a setting in action, like walking in a runway show, wearing a red sexy gown. Change outfits by tweaking the prompt, wearing a stylish black swimwear and sunglasses standing by the ocean. Click Generate, and voila! Your AI influencer is now social media ready. Step 5. Creating a short video for Reels. No problem. Dzine's AI video feature can create this. Upload your image. Enter a simple motion prompt like, she turns around to show her outfit. Adjust the imagination slider for better accuracy. Hit Generate and let Dzine do the magic. Click the link on the description box. And that's it. A fully AI-generated influencer with 0 real-life photo shoots. Want more AI content tricks? Like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.